Hi, welcome back. Today's day number 7. So thank you for joining me. Happy December 7th. This is a 12-day video series where I have been going live for the last 6 days. Today's the 7th, and I will be going live until the 12th. So December 12th will be the last day that you'll see me on here live giving you a beauty tip. Today, what I'm going to talk about is how to achieve the perfect hydrating holiday lip combination. So the other day I showed you a bunch of lip liners, I showed you a bunch of different semi-matte and semi-shine lipsticks and lip glosses that go with them to kind of create combinations for you. Today what I'm going to show you is one of my very favorite combinations. This one is a lip liner, a hydrating lipstick, and a lip gloss over the top. So this is going to be a quick one today. Thank you for joining me. If you're catching the replay, go ahead and let me know you're here. Tell me hi. Tell me you were watching. You can go ahead and let me know where you're watching from. I would love to know all of that down below. And if you want to tell me how you're liking this video series so far. So I am so glad you guys have been loving this so much so far, and you can always catch the replays on YouTube or on my Facebook beauty page. So you can catch them in both locations. Today, like I said, I'm going to start with the lip liner. So I chose my very favorite lip liner. It's the beige nude one. So I did show this to you the other day, but that's the one that I'm going to use first. And this also does have vitamin E in it. So all the lip liners do have vitamin E, which means they're going to help keep your lips hydrated. The lipstick that I chose today is also part of the hydrating lipstick line. So it actually has vitamin E in it as well. And it has sunflower oil, so it's going to keep your lips super hydrated. And then we're going to put a lip gloss over the top too, again, vitamin E. So these are going to keep your lips super hydrated for the long haul. So you can continue to add the lipstick and the lip gloss on top of each other over the top of the lip liner. But the lip liner is going to be the part that stays on the very longest. It's going to help your color stay on the very longest. So we're going to get started with that one today. So again, this is the beige nude color. So I'm going to line my lips first. Let me tilt my mirror so I can see it a little bit better. Okay, so first I'm going to line my lips. And I had a question the other day, and it was, how come I fill my lips in after I line them? And I am happy to answer that for you. So the reason I do that is these new lip liners are waterproof, so they're going to stay on a lot longer. So if I just were to outline my lips, it's just going to stay kind of on that outer portion. It's not going to be on the inside of my lips at all, so the color is not going to stay on the inside of my lips. These new lip liners, they took away the lip primer, because these new lip liners are like a lip primer and a lip liner all in one. So it's going to kill two birds with one stone instead of having to use the lip primer first, buy a lip primer, and then buy your lip liner, and then you can continue with your lip look. Instead, you can use this for both of those things. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm lining my lips first. And again, this is beige nude. Okay. Now they're nice and lined. You have about 20 to 30 seconds before they dry, and that color is going to stay exactly where it's at. It's not going to budge. It's not going to move. It's not going to like feather at all. It's not going to fall out at all. None of that's going to happen. So I love that about these new lip liners. Again, it's like lip primer and lip liner all in one. And then the lipstick that I'm going to add over the top, again, this is the hydrating lipstick. So I did not show these the other day at all. So I wanted to make sure that I had a video where I was showing these because I love them. They kind of remind me more of a chapstick than they do a lipstick, the application process and how they feel. But they do have a really pigmented, pretty color that goes with it. So some of them are a little bit more sheer, a little bit lighter. Some of them are a little bit darker, but there's like a bright red and a really dark raspberry color that are super, super pigmented. This one's really pretty. I think it's a little bit more on the sheer side. This one's called Boho Plum. It's one of my favorite colors. So my top 3 out of the hydrating ones, I would say are better than Bear, which is like a light brown color. This one is Boho Plum, which is kind of that berryish plum color. And then also Casual Rose. I love all 3 of those. I think they're so pretty. So I'm going to put this over the beige nude. The reason I chose the beige nude is kind of just to make it a little bit more of a neutral color too. So I love this lip combination. Again, bear with me. You're going to see the result at the end and you'll see what, I want to know what you think about it too. But anyway, this one is Boho Plum. So it's just going to give it kind of like a little bit of a plum or a little bit of a berry color. Okay. And now next, we're going to add the lip gloss. Again, all of these have vitamin E in them, so they are all hydrating. They're all super moisturizing. They're going to keep your lips nice and hydrated all day long. So like I said, you can always put on, oh, hang on. Let me get that real quick. You can always put on more layers of the hydrating lipstick, and you can always add more layers of the lip gloss as well. Your lip liner should stay on, so the lip liner should stay, and you can always add more of the hydrating things on top too. So I like one of these two lip glosses on top. Either Pink Ballerina to give it a little bit of a pink color, a little bit more of like a pinky shine, or this one is the Nude Blush, which is going to be very neutral and really just neutralize the lip look. Today I'm going to show you the Pink Ballerina on top, but I do love both of them over the top of this. All right, so the Pink Ballerina, just lighten it up a little bit, add a little bit of that sparkle to it. All right, and then that's it. So that's the lip combination. So if you're tuning in with me right now, go ahead and let me know down below that you're watching. Tell me you're here. Tell me what you think about this lip combination. Again, it was the Beige Nude Lip Liner, my favorite lip liner ever. And then I topped it with the Boho Plum Lipstick, which is the hydrating lipstick. And then we put the Pink Ballerina lip gloss over the top. So this is a perfect holiday lip combination, especially if you like the really glossy, hydrated look for your lips. I personally am loving that. I know it's very trendy right now. Lots of people are asking me for a hydrated lip look. So here it is. This is my favorite one for the holidays. It's a little bit darker, but it's not too dark, so you can wear it with any eyeshadow combination. So anyway, holiday lip look that is nice and hydrated. And again, all three of those products that I used have vitamin E in them. The lipstick also has sunflower oil in it, so it is going to keep your lips super hydrated. You're not going to have to worry about them cracking or feeling dehydrated or anything like that. So I hope this was helpful. And again, make sure if you do purchase with me right now through the end of the 12th, so my series goes until December 12th, so if you do place an order with me, my website is attached to this video here, and if you do order and you order $30 or more, I'm going to send you a Holiday Glam kit in the mail, and you get to do the makeup look with me. So in that, you can't be working with another beauty consultant, and you can't be a beauty consultant yourself, but if you're not, and you shop through that link, you're going to get that right in your mailbox too. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you've been enjoying this series, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for day number 8. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of your Thursday. Bye.